This is your chance to own something truly special. 3.3 acres in Fort Wayne with no HOA, no septic, and endless possibilities. You're getting not one, but 2 parcels, giving you space, flexibility, and privacy that's hard to find. The home itself is move-in ready with 5 bedrooms and 3 full baths, plus major updates already done for you. You'll notice new carpet leading straight to the kitchen that shines with updated flooring, new countertops, a modern backsplash, and refreshed cabinetry. Downstairs, the walkout basement offers a spacious second living area with a cozy fireplace, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. Step outside to a deck and patio overlooking woods and a peaceful creek. Enjoy the feel of private country living retreat, just minutes from shopping, dining, and top-rated Leo schools. And with flexible zoning, even livestock is welcome. So if you're ready to claim your slice of space and freedom, reach out to Tyler Morningstar before someone else beats you to it.